Hello everyone, let's learn how to make our own origami sorting hat. First you need a piece of either A4 or A3 paper. Here I'm using A4 in the example, but it means that my sorting hat's going to be a little bit small. I need a square piece of paper to do this, so I'm going to cut a square by folding a triangle, then cutting it out, then turning on its side like this. Then I fold one side of my triangle in as so we get a straight line down the middle, and then fold the other side in. Then unfold both of the folds you've just made so you can see two crease lines in the middle of your triangle just there. Fold your left hand side in so it matches the right crease line, and fold your right hand side in so it matches the left crease line. Fold the left hand side up to make the base of your hat, and then fold it down. Then repeat on the right hand side. Fold it up so it makes a nice neat triangle, and fold it down again as shown in the pictures. If you want to make your sorting hat look a little bit more realistic, you might want to bend the top to make it a little bit more crooked. You will then be able to open up your hat and it should stand up. Here I've made a few in different sizes so you can see what is possible. Enjoy!